Can you spell anti-disestablishmentarianism? Your word is stereoelectroencephalography. Please spell Chargogagogman Chagagogchaubunagungamag. Next up, pyrrolizidini alkaloidosis. All right, try spelling dextrodiorsubversion. Your word is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Your next word is laryngotracheobronchitis. Next up, ferriprotoporphyrin. All right, try spelling pneumono-ultra-microscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Please spell bourgeoisification. Can you spell Chargogagogman Chagagogchaubunagungamag? The next word is canaliculodacryocystohynostomy. Next up, elogofushu hypopocunureus. Please spell hippopotamonstrosusquipedaliophobia. Your word is cholangiopancreatography. Spell floxinosini-hilipilification. All right, try spelling psychoneuroimmunology. Can you spell counter-immunoelectrophoresis? Your next word is sphygmomanometer. Next up, erythrocytopheresis. Can you spell psychoneuroendocrinological? All right, spell polyphyloprogenitive. All right, can you spell ventriculocysternostomy? Please spell anti-xerophthalmic. All right, spell hexacosiohexacontahexaphobia. All right, spell psychophysicotherapeutics. Please spell honorific abilitudinity. All right, can you spell autothaumaturgist? Next up, pseudorhombic-octahedron. The next word is pseudo-hypoparathyroidism. The next word is parallelogrammatic. Can you spell loncastuximab-tesirine? Your next word is corticopontocerebellar.